What is a digital marketing strategy? A digital marketing strategy is a plan that gets a product or brand in front of potential customers. The goal could be to grow the brand or hit specific revenue targets. Digital marketing strategy is a marketing strategy that lives exclusively on digital mediums such as search engines, websites, or social media. As a strategy, the campaign takes specific tactics and implements them. One such tactic might be to conduct social media ads that target the demographic most interested in your product or service. Why a digital marketing strategy is important. While you may know that you need a marketing strategy, you may not fully understand why it is so important. Here are some highlighted points to consider to help you devote the right time and energy into creating a strong digital marketing strategy. Understand market share. A clear strategy helps you understand your market share better. Without this understanding, you may underestimate or overestimate the demand for your products or services. This strategy helps you fully understand the marketplace and takes into consideration customer behaviors, needs, competitors, and customer profiles. Competitors gain market share. If you don't have a digital marketing strategy, you can bet that your competitors do and will use it to gain market share while you rely on traditional marketing tactics. You need to invest in digital marketing to maintain visibility with your target audience and stay in the conversation when that audience is deciding to buy. You don't want to be left out while the competition eats away at what should be your market share. Develop an online value proposition. Developing a digital marketing strategy helps you to develop your online value proposition. The goal of the value proposition is to improve the user experience when buying your product or service regardless of the customer persona. This means that your brand appeals to multiple types of buyers because it is priced right and easy to purchase. The goal is to create loyal customers who love your products and your brand and will share that with family and friends. Get to know your customers. By deploying user feedback tools, you can better understand the consumer sentiment around your products or services. Being in the digital marketplace, conducting market surveys, and getting customer feedback and reviews is easy. This helps you better streamline marketing tactics to focus on what will work best for your company. It also helps you make adjustments to products and services to be the best solution for your target market. Remain agile in a competitive market. Top brands are constantly making adjustments to their brand and user experience. This helps them stay ahead of the competition because the changes cater to the needs or desires of consumers. You want your business to be dynamic and agile as well, ready and able to roll with the ebb and flow of consumer desires.